Hey everyone, it's the patient hodler coming at you with some altcoin news, and today we are going to bring some quick news about Chainlink, Chiliz, Vechain, VeVe and Ecomi as a pack, and Veracity. But before we start, please keep in mind I'm a crypto and NFT investor and not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before you ape in those altcoin projects. Also, if you enjoy this type of content, please consider dropping a like, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think about those projects in the comments below. Tap the bell to always get notified whenever I upload a video, and with that, let's jump right in. So the first one on my list here is Chiliz, and we are starting right off with a very big partnership. The club Benfica Lisbon is coming to the Socios app, and with this is the first Portuguese club to join the platform. Socios app is the front end to the Chiliz token, where you can buy and trade the fan tokens. The second news here is that Chiliz has actually reached 1.5 million wallet addresses. We are proud to share that we have passed the 1.5 million wallet addresses on the Chiliz chain. We can't wait to see you all on Chiliz Chain 2.0. If you are not aware of this, Chiliz is actually building their own chain. They have partnered up with Anchor to make this possible, and staking will be also coming for Chiliz with this project. The next one on my list is another soccer related partnership, also Portuguese speaking, but this time it is Brazil, and it's the Fluminense FC. So the fan token will be coming to the app, and they had a pretty cool teaser here that we can look at quickly. Just a few parts of the teaser. As you can see here, they are making very cool videos for their sports teams. If you want to see more of the video, then just head over to socios.com and follow them. And lastly, we have another club coming to the app, but this time it's from Indonesia, and it's actually the first club that is coming to the app from this country, and we are going to take a quick look into the article. Also, if you want to read the full article, head over to the Socios Twitter and then you will be able to read it. So as we can see here, based in Bandung, Jawa Barat, Persib is one of the biggest football clubs in Indonesia and has been established since 1933, so really old. This was before the Second World War. Persib has won the Indonesian Football League twice, once in 1994-95 season and once in 2014 and 15, so not too long ago. So we can see that this is not a small partnership with regards to Indonesia, and we also have some words here in the article from Alexander Dreyfus, the CEO of Chiliz and Socios.com, and he says Socios.com is a truly global community created for sports fans everywhere. We are delighted to enter another new market where there is huge passion for domestic football and love for the global game. And we can read further, the Persib fan token will be a great tool for us, bringing our global digital fan base of more than 20 million closer to the club. So the next on my list is Vechain news here, and we have news from the great channel Eisenreich. If you don't follow him and you're interested in Vechain, then you should definitely do that. He is covering day per day everything to know about Vechain, so I'm going to use him as a resource. And he is saying here, the crypto bill offers legal cover to Bitcoin, recognizes NFTs as a new asset class, and mandates 100% backing for stablecoins. Not a problem for Vechain, the VeUSD fully backed by physical reserves of fiat money and can be redeemed at a 1-to-1 ratio. This is very interesting because a while ago, before Terra Luna imploded, Vechain was actually criticized for establishing a 1-to-1 ratio normal stablecoin, the VeUSD so to say, and were asked why they wouldn't use an algorithmic stablecoin like Terra would do it. Now we kind of, as Vechain investors, want to be happy about this decision, and I am happy as well that they have this with stably established VeUSD stablecoin. Let's move on to the next one, also from Vechain, and that is the Fibonacci shoes NASA-inspired temperature regulating shoes. This is a Kickstarter project here, coming in with 70,000 US dollars raised. And these Fibonacci shoes will all be tracked on the Vechain Thorchain, and therefore once they are minted, the data is minted on the Thorchain, they are going to use the VeTho token to mint the data into the chain. And lastly, again coming in here from the great Eisenreich, we have another message here from Shan-Gong Xiaoshan in a recent editorial. Feng Jiayi Dilan, I hope I said that halfway right, co-founder of Shan-Gong Xiaoshan, spoke about ginseng herbal nutrition, ESG, and their collaboration with Vechain for a blockchain platform. And we can read in this article, go to Eisenreich's Twitter channel if you want to read the full article, but here we can read, why did you choose the Vechain blockchain platform for ginseng traceability? And Dylan says, I think the overall layout of Vechain is more balanced. On the one hand, it has enough technical accumulation to complete all technical reserves of the blockchain business. The second is to have a variety of commercial application solutions which can meet our different needs and can realize the dynamic upgrade of plugin. Thirdly, in addition to technology, Vechain services and the overall ecological layout are relatively advanced in my opinion. So he's basically saying that one thing is the green mega trend, and as we always used to say, the trend is your friend, so the mega trend is your mega friend, and the ecological and green trend is a big one, and that also accounts for Vechain. Vechain is doing a lot in carbon emission reduction, and cleaning of the ocean projects are involved. So this fits the pattern, and in my opinion it is very good that they are riding this wave. Let's move on to Chainlink, and Chainlink has put out a roadmap, something that we want to see from all projects long term, how they are going to bring value to the token holders and the ones that are contributing to the Chainlink Oracle network. And they have brought out this article, I will put the link in the description, Chainlink Staking, exploring the long-term goals, roadmap and initial implementation. And don't worry, we are not going to read all the article here. I just want to jump quickly to the planned roadmap overview. And that is that they are going to start a staking program to make rewards possible and to incentivize people to continue to use the system. And what they have is the Link staking rewards, a partner growth program, basic reputation tracking, alerting network, ETH to USD feed, staking slashing is coming then in the second version, user fee rewards, node delegation, and so on. So the first approach is only to establishing the staking model while then rolling out new features. Let's just jump right to the conclusion of this one, to not make this video too long. And they say here, the introduction of staking is a pivotal moment that marks the evolution to Chainlink Economics 2.0, a new era in Chainlink's long-term security and network economics. While the initial implementation of Chainlink staking is designed to minimize risk for participants, create a long, strong foundation, the long-term goals revolve around scaling Chainlink into a global standard with a growing and sustainable user base, which in turn offers great opportunity of rewards for stakers who increase the network's crypto-economic security and user assurances. So in my opinion, Chainlink, one of the best projects out there, complete blue chip, the most used Oracle project that you can find. And obviously staking and staking incentives are very important, because staking is the way that people can be contributors to the network and provide clean data for all the chains. And for me, this token is a must-have in the portfolio. Obviously not financial advice, but I am invested in this one. Let's move on to our next one, and that one is Ecomi and VeVe. Now, tomorrow they will have the next comic NFT, and there's already a variety of comic NFTs out. This time it will be a one that looks pretty cool. Marvel Digital Comics, all Marvel Now .1. So these comics NFTs, they are 3D, They are readable, they are usable in AR, and basically of this one, as always with the comics, there will be 30,000 editions with 600 editions of the rarest variant. I am personally skipping this one, but if you are going to join this one, then I wish you all the best of luck in acquiring this NFT. Moving on to Star Wars, and this is obviously a little bit at least VeVe related. The Obi-Wan Kenobi channel has just launched a pretty cool thing that I wanted to share with you. They say, have you seen the new Darth Vader billboard from OLED Space and ILM in Times Square? No, we have not. Let's look at it together here. It is amazing. I mean, that's crazy. It looks like he could step out of that box anytime. It looks very good, and the reason why I show this here with regards to Ecomi and VeVe is obviously that last week we had the Darth Vader drop on the app, and now we are seeing this. So would be really cool to see some kind of more advertisement towards the Star Wars collectibles on the VeVe app. Another Ecomi and VeVe related news, in my opinion, that we should quickly look at is Disney nabs Apple gaming executive Mark Boson for Metaverse strategy. As we can read here, Disney has snagged Apple 12-year veteran Mark Boson, who will serve as vice president for Disney's cross-divisional next-generation storytelling initiative, which apparently encompasses the company's Metaverse strategy. Veracity initially reported the news, and Boson today confirmed his new position in a LinkedIn post, which you can find also in this article. I will put the link in the description below. Now, this is interesting because obviously Disney is a brand that launches frequently the collectibles. Also, the Star Wars collectibles are within the Disney umbrella on the VeVe app. And the VeVe app has 3D Metaverse ready collectibles, so probably VeVe collectibles are part of that next generation storytelling and the company's Metaverse strategy. Then I wanted to highlight a tweet from the community because the second quarter is coming to its end. This one is from Ryan. It made me follow him, so do the same if you like what he tweets. Either of these two major things need to happen for VeVe by the end of June. Deliver MTL, which is the money transmitter license, KYC web platform, or tell the community the real reason why what they promised isn't being delivered. So I think he is meaning here that he wants to see all three things, not only the web platform, but also the MTL and the KYC. And obviously this comment was made with regards to the frequent breach of timelines and delays that this project has. And if you're not aware, the MTL has already been announced in 2021, if I'm not mistaken, in the beginning, and has since been delayed and pushed forward and should come now with the end of Q2, which we have 22 days left in. And finally, I have a little announcement for Veracity, and that is Veracity is making its mark in esports gaming, NFTs, video entertainment. So if you don't know this project, could be valuable to do some research. The Veracity token is now available for trading on Bitfinex. Now, obviously, it's always good for a token if it is launched at a new exchange. But with that, I am already at the end of this little newsflash video. Please let me know in the comments below if you want to have more altcoin news videos from me and what you think about the developments on these projects. I have to say, I like all of these projects very much, and I love to see them continuing to build during this bear market. So wherever you are on the world, have yourselves a great morning, evening, day, night or afternoon, and see you in the next video.